In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly clear formatting in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself working on a document filled with various styles of font, size, colors, or any other formatting headaches, you'll know how critical it can be to declutter and make your text cohesive again. This process will only take a few minutes, so let's dive right in and make your Google Docs experience a little bit smoother. First, you'll want to open a new tab in your web browser and search for Google Docs. This is a cloud-based word processor that allows you to create and edit documents online while collaborating in real time with others. Once you've accessed Google Docs, you will need to log into your account. If you're not yet logged in, enter your credentials to gain access to your documents. This ensures you can access either previous work you've done or start fresh with a new document. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open an existing document that you'd like to work on, or feel free to create a new one if you are starting from scratch. At this stage, it's important to either copy in text that you'd like to reformat, or have existing text displayed on your page. Now, locate the specific text for which you want to clear formatting. The easiest way to do this is to click your mouse at the beginning of the desired text, and while holding the mouse button down, drag your cursor over the text. Once highlighted, you can release the mouse button when all text is selected. Next, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see several options for editing your document. Look for the menu bar and specifically click on the Format tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various formatting options. You might feel a bit overwhelmed by all of the choices, but don't worry, we're focusing on a straightforward goal here. In the Format drop-down menu, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you'll see the Clear Formatting option. Go ahead and click on this. By selecting this, any specific formatting previously applied to the highlighted text will be removed instantly. You should now see your text revert to the default style set for the entire document, such as the default font, size, and color you've designated earlier, or the standard Google Docs style. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared the formatting from the selected text, making your document cleaner and more unified in appearance. This simple process is a great tool for those times when you have text coming from different sources or you just want to reset your formatting to start fresh. Keep this trick in your toolkit to make your life just a bit easier the next time you work in Google Docs.